So when we first got this car, it was empty shell. So it was started life as a 318. Actually, it was a 70 Barracuda, which we've kind of converted into a 71 by the grill, the gills, the front balance, and the rear tail lights. The rest of the car is the same as a 70. We completely stripped her down to bare metal, replaced some of the exterior sheet metal like the rear quarters, found different fenders because the original ones were pretty smoked. Went through and extensively stiffened the chassis, the unibody, frame rail connectors, torque boxes front and rear. We got upper inner fender structure, some tubing that runs all the way from the pillar, the A-pillar and the door jamb to the front of the car. And we've, a lot of the things that had originally were spot welded, we fully welded up. Then we stuffed a modern 6.4 Hemi Bowler T56 Magnum in it. So we have TTI headers. They're the big boys. Big radiator to cool the engine. Nice big air filter. We Cerakoted the engine extensively, which is a ceramic coating that we do. Air intake, engine intake, the valve covers, the valve cover covers. Even every screw and bolt on the engine is Cerakoted, either black or a gray to kind of contrast. Firewall's flushed and cleaned up. All your electrical is clean and runs through a port in the firewall up under the dash. Try and keep it as clean as humanly possible. It's got a American auto wire harness, runs all through the car. Modern side marker. All the lights are LED. And so wheels are HREs, 18s in the front, 19s in the back. Michelin Pilot Sports, of course. The brakes are Baer, 14-inch front and rear, 6-piston. The interior, as far as like door panels and dash, got completely recovered. Tony Stitches built the dash from scratch. So, if you look in there, it's not what a stock 70 or 71 Cuda dash looks like. It's, it's got a little more flair, a little more style to it. Like, everything from, the mirrors, the door handles, everything's Cerakoted. Everything's got ceramic coated all over. Yeah, that's not painted. It doesn't chip, it doesn't rust, it doesn't flake off. This car has all original glass except for the windshield. And the bumpers are pulled in way tighter than they would be if, on a restoration. The gaps are set. This SRT badge has a little Cuda apostrophe, but it's SRT, which is Street Racing Technologies, which is like the modern Hellcats are SRTs. And so we borrowed from the Cuda and borrowed from modern Chrysler. It's a 3-inch oval stainless exhaust, hand built by us, all the way back.
Beautiful, really freaking amazing.
It's just a blend. It's trying to be tasteful and mindful of the things that you're modifying, trying to keep true to the soul of the car, the originalness of the pony car, which is what these are. They're technically not muscle cars. Also, improve it in every way that you possibly can. Change everything without changing the most important part, which is the soul of the car.